Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year, the 2025 Lexus NX. As the newest evolution of Lexus's best-selling compact luxury SUV, the NX has undergone thoughtful upgrades in performance, design, technology, and safety. With both gas and hybrid powertrain options, a more refined exterior, and a feature-rich interior, the 2025 NX is engineered to meet the needs of modern drivers who expect more from their daily vehicle. Whether you're commuting to work, hauling cargo, taking the family on a road trip, or simply running errands around town, the NX offers a smart, stylish, and capable solution. In this review, we'll explore everything the latest NX brings to the table and why it remains one of the most reliable and well-rounded choices in its class. The 2025 Lexus NX presents a more assertive and modern design that reflects Lexus's commitment to evolving with the times while maintaining its core identity. The front fascia has been completely reimagined, featuring a bold, upright grille that gives the SUV a stronger road presence, complemented by sleek LED headlights that now come standard across all trims. These lights are not only stylish but also improve visibility and safety during nighttime driving. The hood has been sculpted with more pronounced character lines, flowing seamlessly into the side profile, where the muscular fenders and clean body lines give the NX a sense of motion even when parked. One of the most distinctive design upgrades on the 2025 Lexus NX is its newly redesigned taillights, which play a major role in giving the SUV a more modern and upscale appearance. Lexus has moved away from the bulkier light clusters of past models, instead opting for a more minimalist, horizontally stretched LED design that visually widens the vehicle's stance and enhances its road presence. Interior design: step inside the 2025 Lexus NX and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more premium, more spacious, and more driver-focused than ever before. Lexus has clearly taken inspiration from its recent interior redesigns across the lineup, bringing in a cleaner, horizontal dashboard layout, higher quality materials, and smarter use of space throughout the cabin. The dashboard features a minimalist aesthetic with soft-touch surfaces, tasteful trim accents, and a continuous mesh vent design that not only looks modern but cleverly conceals the air vents for a sleek, uninterrupted visual flow. The center stack is intuitive, housing a 9.8-inch or available 14-inch touchscreen on higher trims and simplified tactile climate controls that are easy to operate without distraction. Front seats have been redesigned for improved support on longer drives, and higher trims come with heated, ventilated, and power-adjustable seating options, including memory settings for the driver. The NX also shines in terms of passenger space. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom, a nearly flat floor, and rear air vents, making it a practical option for families or carpoolers. Performance: when it comes to performance, the 2025 Lexus NX offers a well-balanced driving experience that caters to both efficiency-minded commuters and drivers who want a little more power and control behind the wheel. The standard powertrain is a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine that delivers smooth, responsive performance paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup offers quiet operation, responsive acceleration in city driving, and fuel economy that averages around 28 miles per gallon combined, making it a solid choice for daily driving. For those looking for something more dynamic and eco-conscious, Lexus continues to offer a refined hybrid powertrain available on the NX 350h and NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid trims. These systems pair a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle gasoline engine with electric motors to generate a combined output ranging from 240 to 304 horsepower depending on the variant. Another highlight worth mentioning is the 2025 NX's impressive technology integration, which strikes an excellent balance between user-friendliness and cutting-edge capability. Beyond the standard 9.8-inch touchscreen, higher trims offer an available 14-inch high-definition display that delivers crisp graphics and intuitive menu layouts, making navigation and media controls a breeze. The latest Lexus Interface multimedia system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with integrated voice control that allows drivers to operate key functions without lifting a hand from the wheel. Available features like a head-up display, digital rear-view mirror, and an advanced navigation system with real-time traffic updates further enhance the driving experience, keeping information accessible and distractions minimal. Lexus has clearly designed this tech suite with the modern driver in mind, offering both ease of use and sophistication in equal measure. Cargo space is another practical advantage for the 2025 Lexus NX, ensuring it meets the everyday needs of families, commuters, and road trippers alike. The rear seats easily fold flat with a simple lever pull, opening up a generous cargo area that can accommodate everything from grocery runs to weekend luggage. With the seats upright, there's still ample room for everyday essentials, and thoughtful touches like a dual-level cargo floor and available hands-free power liftgate make loading and unloading hassle-free. Lexus has also added more in-cabin storage solutions for small personal items, including deep door pockets, a redesigned center console, and underfloor storage in the cargo area. These practical features help make the NX not only a stylish and reliable vehicle but also a genuinely useful companion for busy modern lifestyles. The result is power delivery that feels immediate and refined, especially at lower speeds where the electric motors shine. The hybrids also improve fuel efficiency significantly, with estimates reaching up to 39 mpg combined depending on configuration. Handling has also been improved for 2025, thanks to a more rigid body structure, a refined suspension setup, and more responsive steering. Whether you opt for front-wheel drive or the available all-wheel drive system, the NX remains composed, confident, and comfortable in a variety of driving situations, from stop-and-go traffic to wet or uneven road conditions. Lexus has struck a commendable balance here. The NX isn't trying to be a sports car, but it delivers the smooth, predictable performance that most drivers crave in a compact luxury SUV. Safety has always been a top priority for Lexus, and the 2025 NX continues this tradition by incorporating one of the most advanced and comprehensive safety suites in its class. Every model, from the base NX 250 to the fully loaded N×450h plus F Sport handling, comes standard with the latest version of Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, a suite of driver assist technologies designed to enhance both active safety and driver confidence. This includes features like adaptive cruise control, which maintains a safe following distance on the highway, and lane keeping assist, which gently helps keep the vehicle centered in its lane, reducing driver fatigue on long trips. The system also includes traffic sign recognition, a newer addition that reads and displays road signs such as speed limits and stop signs to help keep drivers informed and compliant with traffic laws. Collision avoidance technologies have been upgraded with a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, which can detect vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists in the car's path, warning the driver and even applying brakes automatically when a potential crash is imminent. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert come standard on higher trims, offering critical assistance during lane changes and reversing out of parking spaces. The NX also benefits from a 360-degree camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings, making tight parking maneuvers safer and easier. Rear seat reminders and child seat anchor improvements enhance passenger safety for families. Structurally, the 2025 NX's body has been engineered with enhanced impact-absorbing materials and reinforced side frames, contributing to high crash test scores from agencies like the IIHS and NHTSA. All these features combine to make the NX not just a comfortable ride but one of the safest vehicles in the compact luxury SUV segment. The 2025 Lexus NX is thoughtfully priced to offer excellent value across its range of trims, making it accessible to a wide variety of buyers without compromising on features or quality. The lineup kicks off with the NX 250, the base model priced just under $41,000, which already includes a generous list of standard equipment such as the 9.8-inch touchscreen, Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 Safety Suite, and LED headlights. Moving up, the NX 350 and NX 350h trims add more comfort and convenience features such as a power-adjustable driver's seat, enhanced audio systems, and available leather upholstery, typically ranging from the mid to upper $40,000s. For those who prioritize both fuel efficiency and performance, the hybrid variants, the NX 350h and the plug-in hybrid NX 450h Plus, command a higher price, starting in the upper $40,000s and going up to the mid $50,000s for the fully loaded F Sport handling models. This top trim boasts premium amenities like a Mark Levinson premium sound system, a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, and all-wheel drive as standard. Across the board, the 2025 NX delivers a compelling mix of price, features, and Lexus's renowned reliability, making it a strong contender for buyers seeking a practical yet refined compact luxury SUV without stretching their budget too far into flagship territory. Financing options and dealer incentives may vary by region, but overall the NX remains competitively priced in a highly competitive segment. In conclusion, the 2025 Lexus NX continues to uphold its reputation as one of the most well-rounded and dependable compact luxury SUVs on the market today. With a perfect blend of stylish, modern design, spacious and thoughtfully crafted interiors, efficient yet responsive powertrains, and an advanced suite of safety and technology features, the NX manages to excel in nearly every category that matters to today's drivers. It strikes an ideal balance between practicality and refinement, offering a comfortable ride for daily commuting and enough versatility for weekend adventures or family road trips. The availability of fuel-efficient hybrid options further strengthens its appeal in an increasingly eco-conscious market. Beyond just being a reliable vehicle, the 2025 NX feels purposeful and refined, proving that Lexus has thoughtfully evolved the model to meet the expectations of a diverse group of buyers without losing sight of what made it a favorite in the first place. Whether you're looking for a daily driver with strong resale value, a safe family hauler, or a tech-savvy crossover that doesn't compromise on comfort, the 2025 Lexus NX is an outstanding choice that deserves serious consideration in its segment. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the 2025 Lexus NX. If you're considering a compact luxury SUV that combines reliability, style, and modern features, the NX should definitely be on your shortlist. Whether you value fuel efficiency, spaciousness, or cutting-edge safety tech, this model delivers it all without compromise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews like this one. And if you have any questions or want to share your own NX experiences, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.